I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a question from my student. This question is actually question number 15, page 501, Nelson Advanced Functions. The question is, a wound initially with an area of 80 centimeters square heals according to the formula A of t equals to 80 times 10 to the power of minus 0.023 t, where AT is the area of the wound in square centimeters after t days of healing. In how many days will 75% of the wound be healed? Well, Mani, I think the doubt you have is about the 75% healing. Now, in this particular question, if you read carefully, AT is the area of the wound in square centimeters after t days of healing. So that means the area left. Now it says, in how many days will 75% of the wound be healed? So if 75% is healed, then what is left? You have to figure out that what is left. 25% is left. Do you understand? 25% is left. And therefore, AT should be equal to 25% of starting 80 square centimeters. Do you agree? So that is 0.25 of 80. So this is the starting value which you have to manipulate, right? 75% has been healed, so 25% is left, okay? Now let's begin with the formula itself. The formula is the amount of wood left is equals to 80 times 10 to the power of minus 0.023 t. We need to find how many days will 75% of wound will be healed. So that means 25% is left. So AT will be 0.25, 25% of 80, you agree? 10 to the power of minus 0.023 t. That is the key. Now you can divide by 80 on both sides. So you get 0.25 times 80 divided by 80. Since it cancels out, I didn't calculate the value. Is equals to 10 to the power of minus 0.023 t. And once we cancel that out, we can take log, right, to the base 10, since this exponent is to the base 10. So it's very easy to take, right? So once we have done this, we can say log of 0.25 equals to log of 10 to the power of minus 0.023 t, right? Remember, this is to the base 10, so what we get here is minus 0.023 t, correct? And here we have log of 0.25, correct? So from here you can find what t is. So let me write down the value of t as t is equals to log of 0.25 divided by minus 0.023, right? So at this stage you can use the calculator, find the answer. So we have log of 0.25 divided by, within brackets, minus 0.023 bracket close equals to 26.17. So you get 26.17, and t is in days, right? So after t days of healing. So we can say the answer is approximately 26 days. Correct? So that is how you can actually solve this question. The key issue here is how much of the wound has been healed, right? So that is kind of tricky to understand. And so AT is 25% which is left, correct? So I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.